Anna, teachers, parents, together with pupils of Mafia Imani Primary School, in front of you, we are Form 1 new students from Mafia Imani Secondary School, ready to demonstrate for you a diagram of plant cell. Before demonstrating the diagram of plant cell, let me explain the meaning of cell. Cell is the basic unity of life, or in other words, you can say that cell is the structure and function unity of life. The cell is discovered by Englishman known as Robert Hooke in 1665. The Robert Hooke discovered the bark of tree by using a microscope. He observed that the barks of tree were made up of boxy-like units which were packed together to form a structure like a honeycomb, and that was called a cell. The cell is categorized into two types, which are prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. To the side of prokaryotic cell is the type of cell which its nuclei do not bounded by membrane, and organisms based in this group are bacteria, known as unicellular, for example, are bacteria. To the side of eukaryotic cell is the type of cell which its nuclei are bounded by membrane, and organisms based in this group known as eukaryotic or multicellular. For example, plants and animals. Also, eukaryotic cell divided into two types, which are animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell is a cell which found in animals, and plant cell is a cell which found in plants. So, for today, we'll explain more about plant cell. As you see here in front of you, we have a diagram of plant cell and its organelle. So, I welcome my fellow students for more explanation of plant cell and its organelle.
As you see here, there are more organelles in plant cell, but on my side, I will only explain about the cell wall. Cell wall is the outer strongest wall that's covered by whole cell. Outer membrane has the following functions. First one, it protects whole cell. Second one, it gives the shape of the cell. Third one, it allows exchanging of material. And lastly, it protects inner part of the cell. Thank you. I welcome my friend to explain.
In my side, I want to explain more about cell membrane. A cell membrane is our inner membrane that material in and outside of the cell. Thank you. I welcome my friend to explain.
On my side, I'm going to explain about large and permanent vacuum. Vacuum means is the space which formed by membrane. Membrane is made up by two things which are tonoplast and sensor, a function of vacuum. It used to secrete and excrete waste products from the cell. Let me welcome my fellow student to explain more about the diagram of the plant.
On my side, I will explain about mitochondria. Mitochondria is an oval-shaped organ that have two membranes. The inner membrane is called this one is a mitochondria. The inner membrane is smooth and the outer membrane has fold. The function of mitochondria is to produce energy for the cells. That's why sometimes it's termed as powerhouse of the cells. Thank you.
On my side, I will explain other organelle is called the nucleus. This is a nucleus. A nucleus is a spherical organelle suspended in the cytoplasm. As we see here, a nucleus is spherical in shape. Also, a nucleus enclosed by membrane called the nuclear membrane. The function of nucleus. It determines chemical process take place in the cell. It involves cell division. It determines shape, size, and function. It controls all function of life. Thank you.
I am here in front of you to explain the organelles and mitochondria suspended in cytoplasm. Thank you.
On my side, I will explain about chloroplast. Chloroplast is an oval organelle that's found on the leaf. And there is something that's found on the chloroplast, which is known as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is an organelle that's found the purpose, which is functioned to trap the sunlight. And this function and this process is known as photosynthesis. Let me welcome my friend.
I'm here in front of you to explain more about this starch. In the cell there is a food known as starch. A cell stores food in terms of starch. A function of starch is give energy. Let me welcome my fellow students to conclude our demonstration of starch cell.
I come here in front of you to conclude about the plant cell as of my fellow students. They present more about plant cell. Cell is very important in our life because all life process takes place in the cell. Also, all living things are composed by a cell. So that cell is very important in our life. Without cell, no life. This plant cell demonstrated by biology teachers that help us to demonstrate this plant cell.
In front of you, we have one student from Mafia Imaan Secondary School. Dear parents, we advise you to bring your children in the best school for better education and faith. Mafia Imaan Secondary School, education without borders. Thank you.
Asante sana, elimu bila mipaka. Ni surprise ya wanafunzi form 1 hao wa shule ya Mafia Imaan.